ever wondered what the big deal is about STEM? Are you interested in seeing what STEM looks like in action? Come join the Grundy Library on Saturday, March 5th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. as we explore what makes STEM fun and exciting. Our STEM Maker Faire will be taking place at Snyder-Girotti Elementary, where we'll be hosting a STEM takeover. Every elementary and middle school student and their families are invited to join us for this STEM-tastic afternoon. Join us for a STEM petting zoo where you'll get to see and try out robots like these really cute coding critters and these futuristic-looking Evos. Try out these really fun engineering-themed magnetic building tiles, or check out what a 3D printer can do and create. You'll not only have a fun time, but you'll get an inside look at what STEM can do in action. Don't forget to grab your free Take and Home Make kit filled with fun STEM activities you can do at home. Or don't forget to enter into one of our raffle prizes before you leave. For more information, please visit our website at www.grundylibrary.org or call the library at 215-788-7891. We can't wait to see you there.